Unbox Baby Molly Winter Fit Check with me. Winter my almost.
It's not.
It's so. Unbox Baby Winter Molly with me. Unbox Baby Molly Winter Check. Let's unbox a blind. Let's open a blind box together. Pop Mart Winter Molly. Pop Mart. Pop Mart Baby Molly Winter Fit Check. That was long. It's not working. Yes! Alright. So these are the fit checks. I've already got this one, the Freezing Winter, Freezing Magic one. And now I would like to get either this, the pink, or the gray, or the secret. One. It's Hot Baby Boba! I have a Hot Boba! Yes! It's the one with the brown skin, the brownish hair. Oh! Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Oh, no. She's so cute. Look at her little handsies. You get this pouch. This fluffy thing. It's your baby Molly in there. Oh, this is too small to fit here, so I guess you can just put it in. And here she is. Was I expecting her to be a little cuter? Oh, I put this wrong. It was never supposed to close on her head. Oh my god. Was I expecting to be mind blown by this? I was. Am I? She's Gorgina. She's really cute. Tell me in the comments if you like her or if you would just toss her.